Properties and distribution of water major. Multiple choice. Read the question and circle the letter of the best answer choice. Number 1. Which statement best explains the reason some insects can walk across the surface of a lake? A. Water is a polar molecule and its adhesiveness causes good capillary action. B. Water is nonpolar molecule and its cohesiveness causes good capillary action. C. Water is a polar molecule and its cohesiveness causes high surface tension. D. Water is a nonpolar molecule and its high adhesiveness provides high surface tension. Number 2. Which is true about most of the fresh water on Earth? A. It is abundant. B. It is underground. C. It is in the atmosphere. Or D. It is frozen. Number 3. Which best explains why so little of the water on Earth is available for human use? A. 97% of the total water on Earth is fresh water, and most of the remaining 3% is salt water in the ocean basins. B. 97% of the total water on Earth is salt water, and most of the remaining 3% is fresh water frozen in ice caps and glaciers. C. 97% of total water on Earth is fresh water, and most of the remaining 3% is salt water found in underground aquifers. Or D. 97% of total water on Earth is salt water, and most of the remaining 3% is fresh water found in lakes, rivers, and ponds. Number 4. The chart below describes an experiment using a sample of water and 3 solids made in different substances. 3 different solids are dropped into a wide beaker of water. Solid 1 sinks halfway down the water and remains suspended. Solid 2 sinks to the bottom, and solid 3 floats to the top of the water. Which property of water is being tested in the above experiment? A. Solubility. B. Cohesion. C. Polarity. Or D. Density. 5. Adhesion leads to blank, which is the characteristic of water that explains why water can move up and through a root system or stem of a plant. A. Surface tension. B. Polarity. C. Capillary action. Or D. Specific heat. Short answer. Answer the following questions in their entirety. Please use complete sentences. 6. Density. A. What happens to water molecules as they freeze? You can draw a picture to help you answer this, but you must also describe the movement of the molecules. B. Is the density of frozen water the same as the density of liquid water? Number 7, specific heat. A. What does it mean to say that water has a high specific heat? B. Why does water have a high specific heat? Number 8. What is polarity, or being polar? Number 9. What is the difference between adhesion and cohesion? Number 10. What do you need to know about a substance to see if it will be soluble or insoluble in water? Next section. Modified true, false. Indicate whether the sentence or statement is true or false. If false, change the identified word or phrase to make the sentence or statement true. Number 11, the positive hydrogen end of one water molecule attracts to the negative oxygen end of the other water molecules. Number 12, the property of specific heat allows water to soak into a paper towel. Number 13, land covers more of the Earth's surface than oceans do. Number 14, the attraction of water to a leaf is an example of cohesion. Number 15, once water freezes, it has a lower density. That concludes properties of water major. Good luck.